Hey guys, it's Mitch Ibach. I'm an optometrist at Vance Thompson Vision in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I'm excited to talk to you about LASIK. I've had LASIK myself, and it's been a huge gift in my life. Before I had LASIK, I was a nearsighted or myopic patient, and I also had a fair amount of astigmatism. This led to wearing glasses and contacts and waking up in the morning not being able to see the alarm clock or what was going on across the room because I had a fairly high prescription. I was mainly reliant on wearing contact lenses, and I'm also a patient or someone who has seasonal allergies, and so itchy, uncomfortable eyes, and contact lenses became harder to wear, especially at the end of the day. And so I had LASIK, I had laser refractive surgery in 2014. It's been a game changer for me with a busy schedule, with young kids at home, with traveling, not having to remember to bring my contacts and my cleaners, remembering to take them out before I do things like going in the lake swimming or going in the pool, which I love to do. And so LASIK has been a huge gift in my life. I think the first step is to take the leap of faith on getting an exam, getting a refractive evaluation to just see what your candidacy is. Having the eval doesn't mean you're going into surgery, but you can get the correct information from the experts.